today's time, it's really important to be sustainable. And while going through internet, I realized that a lot of bloggers and internet influencers have been making their own makeup in order to be more sustainable. So I thought, why not give it a go? So the first product that I'm going to be trying to make is a lip and a cheek tint. And for this, I thought the best product is beetroot, because beetroot naturally has a lot of tint to it, and I read up that if you mix beetroot with nariyal tel, then you get a nice silky texture which you can apply on your cheeks and your lips for that natural tint, and you don't need to buy either a lipstick or a cheek tint. So for this you need boiled beetroot, which you need to puree. If your puree looks as bad as mine, this is the right time to add the nariyal tel. You can use any nariyal tel that you have available at your home. When you mix it, you have to blend it for another 20 to 30 seconds, and once you're done, you have this nice silky texture which you can use to apply on your skin. It's not going to harm your skin because, well, beetroot is a natural tint, and nariyal tel, you can never really go wrong with nariyal tel. So I have this old lipstick case with me, and I'm going to add some of the mixture in this, and I'm also going to add one in this old Kanch ki shishi. So you can probably, after filling this, put it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes, and once you have it, it's going to be a nice texture that you can use for your cheeks and for your lips as well. So this was the one hack that you can use to sort of make your own makeup, but the second one is something I'm a bit skeptical about, but I'm still gonna give it a try. So the internet swears that if you sort of take almonds and you put it on a gas burner and you completely burn it, and once you peel off the skin for it and mix nariyal tel in it, then it becomes a natural eyeliner. And I think this hack could maybe work if you add a little bit of the nariyal, but I think it's a long process and it's a very tedious one. Not to mention that you could possibly burn yourself or hurt yourself while doing this process, but I still think that it's worth giving a try. If you can make your own eyeliner at home, then why not? So the third one is again super easy, but for this you already need a pre-existing product. But I would like to believe that everybody owns a basic set of eyeshadow. I have this normal eyeshadow with me, from which I'm going to be using a brown color. In this I'm going to add aloe vera gel. I'm going to mix it with an earbud, and there you have it, your own DIY brow gel. So that is at least one less product that you have to buy. So you can try to make this at home and contribute in terms of being more sustainable and trying to be more environment friendly by using as many natural products as you can.